Prawns dry fry with coconut, a delicious and protein rich dish that's quick to prepare and full of bold flavors. Here are the marinated prawns quartered with 1 teaspoon red chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric, and half teaspoon salt, giving them a vibrant yellow red color. Marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Half a cup of grated coconut is ready to add later. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and let it warm up. Add the marinated prawns to the pan in a single layer. Fry for 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally. Prawns are fully cooked when they turn opaque and firm but still tender to the bite. Avoid overcooking to keep them juicy. Add the grated coconut to the pan. Mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the coconut is toasted and fragrant. Serve hot with steamed rice or chapati. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and follow for more tasty, easy to make recipes and kitchen tips.